Hi, welcome to Creative Kids Art Club. This is where we're going to draw, and it's good if your drawing is different than mine. I like to take your requests from the comments, draw them all together. Let's do one for Halloween. All right, so today we had a request from Maddie, and she would like to draw a panda. We also have a request from Gwenny, who wants to draw a dog. And then the last one we have is from Zelda that we're going to put in our Halloween scene, and she would like a baby T-Rex. Go find a pencil and paper, and let's get started on our drawing. Don't forget, you can pause it, catch up, and then start it again. Be sure to stay to the end so that you can see what other kids drew from our drawings today. All right, our scene is going to be Halloween. So we're going to draw the baby T-Rex first in our drawing. The baby T-Rex. So we're going to make his big mouth, kind of like a C shape. Then we're going to come back out for the bottom mouth or jaw. All right, and then we're going to make an eye, kind of like a hump. Then we're going to make the neck, swoop down, and make our tail. Ooh, mine goes off the edge, but that's okay. Now we're going to bring back the tail, and we're going to make a big leg. A big leg, like a chicken leg. So we're going to make a big leg, like a big chicken wing. And then we're going to make the bottom of the leg come out and down with his big toes. There we go. All right, so we have his big leg and his big toes. Let's make him some toes. And maybe some big sharp nails. Now we need for his neck to come out and his belly. And his other leg is going to be on the back side. So you're going to make another one of these on the opposite side behind his body. And some of it could be behind the other one. All right, let's not forget his eye, right? Now we need those tiny little arms. That's what's going to make him look like a T-Rex. And let's make him carrying something in his hands, like later, maybe a trick-or-treat bag or something. So we're going to leave some room for his arms to be carrying something. Maybe let's give him some teeth too. How about that? Okay, our next item then is the next smaller thing, which is a panda bear. Those are going to start with a round head. And then we're going to put small little bear ears on them. And we're going to color those in because we want him to look like a panda. And then we're going to give him the big black eyes. Of course, that's going to be very panda-like. Now our nose is going to be like an upside down triangle. So make a line. And then you are going to make a triangle from that line. See how that's upside down? Got it? Doing great. You ready? Okay. Let's make him have a smile. Coming down from that triangle nose, we're going to give him a smile. Are you ready for his arms? Let's do it. All right, so his arms are going to be sticking out from his head. They don't have much of a neck. And we're going to make them chubby arms. So we're going to make him kind of teddy bear looking. And then we're going to come all the way around like this, like a C shape, because his front legs are black. So you can color those in. And that's going to make him also look less like a teddy bear and more like a panda. All right, so we're going to color that in. Now we have panda arms. Now we get the fun part of making the big panda belly. All right, so now we're going to go really short round panda bear belly. Super cute, right? And we're going to make his little panda legs. Those are also going to be black. So we're going to make them wide. And we're going to fill those in black too. Okay. Next we have our little dog that you're going to try to guess that our friend Gwenny requested. Okay, you got your panda ready? I think I'm going to make my panda have a little bit longer arms so he can carry stuff. But you can make yours any way you want. That's the cool thing about art, is we're all going to have a different picture. I can't wait to see yours. All right, so let's do our dog next. And our dog is going to have a our head of our dog is going to be kind of flat on the top. And then it's going to come around and he's going to have a big nose that we're going to put a dog nose on right there. Then let's go ahead and give him some eyes. And now let's make his ear floppy. You could make your ear sticking up like a pointy German Shepherd, or a dog that has a different shape ear. That would be cool. Now we're going to make his neck and his collar. So we're going to make another shape for his collar. Ready? And then we're going to make his back and his tail. And we're going to make his back leg circle like a C. And then we're going to make his back foot. So he's standing there too with his friend, the panda, and his baby T-Rex friend. And then we're going to make his arms sticking out too so that he can carry his Halloween candy bag. And then his belly. So we have panda, baby T-Rex, and our dog here ready to go into our scene. So now where are they going to be? What will they be doing? Well, our scene is Halloween, so we should probably have a jack-o'-lantern, a pumpkin that's cut out with a face. So somewhere in your drawing, put your jack-o'-lantern. I'm going to put it right here and I'm going to make it giant. So I'm going to make it right on the side, a big C, backward. And then we're going to be putting that top on it like a jack-o'-lantern has on the pumpkin, has like a big top on it. Let me scooch it down a little bit. There we go. But right now it looks more like an apple, right? And we want it to look like a pumpkin. So let's make some of those indentations that the pumpkins have so that you have dividing lines on your pumpkin. But we want it to be a jack-o'-lantern. So now let's make some triangle eyes. And maybe it's going to be like the place they're going to get candy. So let's make it have some triangle eyes, kind of like a window. And it's a pumpkin, so it's going to be thick. So let's put a little bit of a line right there so that now it looks like the pumpkin has its eyes cut out and the thickness of the pumpkin is true. All right, now let's make a mouth open, and maybe they're going to get their candy from inside the mouth. That's what I think would be fun. But you do yours whatever way you want. So now this is open, and now I think I'm going to give my Halloween characters some trick-or-treat bags. You could make them in a party. You could put them all kinds of places they could be walking. So first they need to have a sidewalk, don't they? So that they can walk up there. And now let's give them some party bag for their treats. And the panda will have his bag for his treats. He has like a little pumpkin bag. And then of course the T-Rex has to have his bag too. All right. So now it's your turn to color your scene. Is it at night? Do you want to put them in the dark where there's hills and a moon? Do you want to have them in a house? Do you want to have them at a party? Maybe give them some party hats. It's your turn to do all of the fun stuff, and be sure and color it. I can't wait to see what you make. Thank you, Maddie, Zelda, and Gwenny for your suggestions, and I can't wait to hear what the next suggestions are.
Hooray!
I'm Suzette Morrow, your art guide on the side, and I will see you in the next video.